Windows Photos app is not working on Windows 10. So if the Photos app is not working on Windows 10 or 11, there is a very simple way to fix it. First of all, look for the Photos application from your search bar and simply try to open it using the search bar, right? Now, right over here, it will give you a couple of options, and here you'll be able to see all of the photos that you have maybe on your iCloud or maybe on your OneDrive or all of the other devices as you'd be able to find. You can also choose to import the photos from wherever else that you would like to. Now, if this is not working for some particular reason, what we can try to do is first check your internet connection to make sure your Photos app is up to date. Then after that, you can simply head over to your Microsoft Store and simply search for the Photos app and just check if the Photos app is also updated to the recent version, right? Then once done, you can try to also update your device from Windows Update section and just go to the install button to install any of the remaining updates. If none of those help, then you can simply try to uninstall the Photos application from here and reinstall it from Microsoft Store. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.